of Department of Indian System of Medicine in the management of COVID-19. COVID-19 or novel coronavirus was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and WHO declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on the 30th of January 2020 and a pandemic on March 11. Being a new form of virus, pathogenesis of the disease causation is not fully understood and drugs and vaccines against this virus are still being tested. With WHO giving time-to-time guidance to nations about how to contain the virus, where main focus is on proper hand washing with soap and water, social distancing of 6 feet, and wearing of a mask, who to be quarantined and who to be isolated, and the preparedness required in the health sector for critical patients. Every nation started following the guidelines, and India is not an exception, and its response is parallel to other nations with phase-wise implementation of lockdown, closure of schools, offices, public transport, malls, public parks, gyms, social gatherings, religious places. Only essential services were allowed to work, and that too in phased manner, except the health sector that is operational 24/7. Talking about our own UTJ&K, the 2 suspected cases with high virus load were detected on March 4 inches GMC Jammu, and first case of COVID-19 was detected on March 18 in a female traveling from Saudi Arabia to Kashmir. The outbreak of COVID-19 became a threat to the general population and a challenge for health workers since the knowledge of novel coronavirus remains limited. The government of Jammu and Kashmir reaction to the pandemic was quick, and on March 19, complete lockdown was imposed and authorities ordered closure of schools first to the primary level and then further to college and university levels.
ड्रग्स हैं, इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग ड्रग्स हैं, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट ड्रग्स हैं, हम लोगों तक पहुंच सकें और लोगों को बता सकें। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से हमें एडवाइजरीज इशू की गई, जिस एडवाइजरी के साथ में उन्होंने कि कौन सी मेडिसिन्स और कौन से डिकॉक्शंस, जिसको हम काढ़ा कहते हैं अपनी देसी लैंग्वेज में, ऐसे ही यूनानी में कौन सी मेडिसिन्स और कौन से डिकॉक्शंस को अवेयर किया जाए। सिमिलरली होम्योपैथी की एक ड्रग उन्होंने उस एडवाइजरी में हमें रिकमेंड की, ऐसे ही सिद्धा की कुछ ड्रग्स बताई गई। तो जैसे हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर की यूटी में आयुर्वेदा का, यूनानी का, योगा का और होम्योपैथी का काफी रोल है, उसमें से कोई 17 मेडिसिन्स आइडेंटिफाई की कि ये हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट हर इंस्टीट्यूशन मींस डिस्पेंसरीज में, डायरेक्टरेट में, नीचे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल हॉस्पिटल्स में ये अवेलेबल हैं। इनको इमीडिएटली यहाँ नहीं अवेलेबल हैं, उनको रीलोकेट किया हमने अपने डॉक्टर्स और पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ को इंस्ट्रक्ट किया कि जहां जहां ये जाते हैं उसमें आयुष डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से दवाइयां डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जाएंगी। वो सब के सब एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट्स जो हैं, पुलिस पर्सनल along with health personnels, जैसे ओल्ड एज होम है, PRIs हैं, यहां जहां फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स हैं, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस हैं, म्युनिसिपैलिटीज हैं, इन सबको ये दवाइयां दी जाएं और इनको अवेयर किया जाए, इनको एक्सप्लेन किया जाए, इनको डोजेज एक्सप्लेन की जाए। डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स जो हैं वो लोगों तक, आप लोगों के मीडिया के, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के माध्यम से पहुंचे, जिससे कि उनको ये पता चले
अफसर आईएसएम डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से, और हम अभी यहाँ पे जो प्रेस कॉलोनी है वहाँ पे जो आयुष इम्यून बूस्टर ड्रग्स है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं अमंग इनको जो आप हो, जैसे आप हो, मीडिया वाले हो, फ्रंट एंड वर्कर्स हो, उनको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। ये हम डायरेक्टरेट इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन JNK की तरफ से कर रहे हैं। और जो हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब है डॉक्टर मोहन सिंह साहब, तो उनकी इस डायरेक्शन को हम फॉलो करते हुए
With the zeal of their new assignment, the team of Ayush experts set forth on their new errand very much and distributed 64,828 Ayush immune boosting drugs till date and cover more than 150 frontline workers, warriors, health workers, old age home, orphan homes and others. Keeping in view how the disease spreads and what precautionary measures can be taken to limit the spread of disease was the biggest challenge in front of healthcare system. The Department of Indian Systems of Medicine under the leadership of worthy Director Dr. Mohan Singh worked in tandem with the Department of Health and provided all the assistance that were needed in time. The staff of Indian Systems of Medicine deputed at Divisional COVID Control Room where they are engaged in strategic planning and coordinated action to maintain essential health service delivery. Staff of Indian Systems of Medicine work under various units in COVID control room and till date they are doing a tremendous job fulfilling the requirements and need of this pandemic, be it in containment zone, sampling and surveillance, contact tracing, rapid response, quarantine centers, isolation wards. With no treatment available till date, the biggest challenge was how to aware the people to contain the spread of the disease and infection control practices related to COVID-19. The Department of Indian Systems of Medicine came on the forefront and utilized all means of communication to reach to the general masses, be it TV, radio, social media, print and press. A team of doctors from different streams of Ayush used these communication tools to aware the people about basic precautions to be taken to prevent its spread along with how to boost their immunity to remain healthy physically and mentally during the pandemic. According to WHO survey, people who had a strong immune system, occurrence of infection was seen less and rate of recovery was fast as compared to patients who were elderly, with comorbidity, immunocompromised, and with other ailments. Need of an hour was how to boost the immune system, and Ministry of Ayush, Government of India published guidelines for different Ayush practitioners that played an important role in the management of COVID-19 pandemic. Use of traditional medicine for immunity boosting, Unani Kada, Ayurvedic concepts of daily regime and seasonal regime to maintain healthy life. Practice of yogasana, meditation for 30 minutes are advised. As per advisory of Ministry of Ayush and directions of worthy Director ISM, 26 Ayush immune boosting drugs from different streams were listed and provided free of cost to frontline workers, health workers, quarantine centers, old age homes, PRIs till date. District Srinagar under control of ADMO Dr. Rukhsana Jabin has been actively doing its job and continuously monitoring the situation and needs of its staffs being at dispensary level or in Ayush units with full zeal. Ayush Immuno Booster Drugs Distribution Team from District Srinagar headed by Dr. Syed Abdul Shakur and Ayurvedic expert Dr. Ruhi Tabassum and Dr. Masarat Shireen Unani expert has been on toes from day one to reach out to various sections of people who are more susceptible to virus. The team, besides providing Ayush immunity boosting drugs, also make it a point to aware the masses about safety measures, how to boost up their immunity besides taking medicine, and are appreciated by the concerned authorities for their sincere efforts shown by the department. daily practice of yogasanas, pranayams, meditation, use of Unani Kada, Chyawanprash have been considered effective in post-COVID recovery period. This clearly shows the importance of traditional medicine in maintaining the physical and mental health of a person. It is well quoted that, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less."